So hey developers, how are you? So in this video we are going to learn how to make animated buttons in Figma. Okay, so let me introduce myself. My name is Pradeep and I'm a Figma developer, as you know. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video and see how the buttons will make in Figma. So as you can see, we are on the dashboard and I will show you that which type of buttons we are going to learn and to make. Okay, so there are some buttons, as you can see here. I will show you. Yes, there are some buttons. When we hover on them, it starts animating. As you can see, when we hover, they animate something. So this type of buttons we are going to learn today and make in Figma. Okay, so let's come to the dashboard and let me tell you how we can make these type of buttons in Figma. So if you know me and watch my some of the videos, so you can make a easily frame and a text. Okay, so I will simply make a frame, as you can see here. After that we will make the layout open and make a text between them and put your button text inside the frame and style the frame as you want. Okay, means I want the radius to be 10 pixel and color to be a slight gray color. Yeah, it's looking good. After that you can give it a border. Yeah, so our static button is ready on the desktop. So how we can make it animate on hovering? Let's see how we can do that. Simply give the button its name like this, and after that you have to make the component to the button like this, and we are on the component panel. Select the button, come to the component variant and make it hover from this, and you can make the changes that you want on hover effect. Okay, means suppose you want the color of the border to be changed when we hover on the button, so you have to change the color of the border on a hover state. Okay, I will show you. So as I want the border color change when we hover on the button. Okay, so we will come down and choose the hover variant and change the color of the border. Okay, after that we can give the transition to the button. Okay, come back to the panel and let's see how it's looking. As you can see, when we hover the button, the border of the button is changing its color. Okay, so here is a box shadow which is changing, so let me show you how it will be done. Okay, so come to the hover state, choose the shadows and give the color as you want. I am giving the color to the blue because it's matching the vibe. Okay. As you can see, this is the hover state and this is the static state, so it's changing its shadow when we hover on them. Okay. As you can see, it's looking like something this. So as you can discover more and more, you can find options to style your button, to animate your button, and more anything else. Okay. So for I will skip these two buttons because these are the similar to the one. I am showing you how we can do this last button. Okay. Simple, it's made here. Simply we will make it like we have made the static button, like this, like this. Okay. After that, what you have to do, make it a component. Okay. And here is only one text would be visible. As you can see, there is only one text would be visible, but there are also three more texts, four more texts. Okay. But they are not visible on the static state. But on the hover state, we have made them static or visible, none to the visible. I will tell you what I have made there. As you can see, there is a about link, but it is not visible. But in the hover variant, there is a about link which is visible. So by following this method, you can easily make a expandable button like this. Okay. So by following this process, you can easily make a button or an animated button in Framer. Okay. And if you don't have a Framer account, you can find the link in the description. You can follow there and get a Framer account. And if you want to hire me for some of the project like Framer and Webflow, there is link in the description for Fiverr and Upwork. You can hire me there. Okay. So thank you for watching and keep learning.